different size kangaroo in here. It's one of the mother kangaroo and the baby in the pouch is the closest. Some female kangaroo, some male kangaroo is here. The most of the young kangaroo. This is the Mountain View Motor Inn, Halls Gap, the backside field. You can come and visit the Mountain View. It's a very nice accommodation business in Halls Gap. You see the big pouch, big baby in the pouch. Kangaroo crawling, and they are always eating, busy with eating grass, the green grass. Kangaroo's tail is very important for them. When they crawl, they push the tail and go in the front, go ahead. It's a very interesting animal. This is mainly the symbol of Australia. It's the grey kangaroo. Australia has two types of kangaroo. One is red, one is grey. This is the grey kangaroo. So in this area, all are the grey kangaroo.